So today we're going to be working on the G37 and we're going to try to do some carbon mirror caps. The issue with these is that this housing is one piece, so it doesn't come apart. So the best way you can get these is they're just covers that go on top of this. Let's see what they look like. So I actually got these caps for free from my friend who was trying to test out one of his shippings for his company. That's why I'm just using them. Otherwise I normally wouldn't. I just keep it clean. But I have them, so might as well try to see how they fit, you know. So here I have these. They're covers, carbon covers that goes on the back here. I think they go something like this. Or something like this. Look at that. I kind of noticed that whoever laid the epoxy on this, they left the hair in here. What the hell, bro? Okay, I guess. Anyways, so obviously first step, we're just gonna clean the mirror. Make sure there's nothing left on, make sure it's dry. Get everything off. Let me do that, so it's straight off, straight down. Let me clean it and then I'll be back. When you're done wiping it down, make sure you dry it, because you can still see some water on there, but make sure you dry it. And make sure it's not wet at all. Every single corner needs to be dry. Otherwise the tape literally just will not stick to this. Now, we're just gonna grab the mirror caps, and we have some 3M tape. I'm gonna put the 3M tape in the back of the mirror caps and see how it goes. Let's see. I'm probably just gonna put the 3M tape right around the edges just because of how this sits. All around the edges, make sure you tack it down properly, and then we'll be back. Let's see. So this is how I put the tape. I put the tape right around the corner. Just so I want to seal the corner. I don't want any air getting in between. And I put a little thing in the middle, because why not? Let's peel the tape off. Honestly, peeling this tape has never been easy, bro. Like it's never been easy for me to peel this stupid tape off. Okay. I'm gonna leave a few edges just off like that, so I can peel them off completely later on. Anyway, I'm just gonna do this for the rest of them so I can peel them off later when it's on the car. So I peel them off like this just so I can tack it on, and then I can take the rest of it off. So it doesn't stick all the way type of thing. Let's see if it even works. You gotta make sure all the red pieces are off. Just tack it down from the top. This is going, I guess, kind of like this. Make sure the bottom is there. Now. No, just tack it down every corner. Honestly, I don't know how this thing is gonna stick. Like, I have no clue. Okay, so we have it put on. Looks pretty solid, to be honest. Kind of has a lip on the edge, but it's not really that big of an issue because it's on the inside. But it looks pretty solid. So just to make sure that it sticks down properly, I taped it down so the tape has time to, you know, stick properly without having any issues. Hopefully I'll take the tape off probably tomorrow or later tonight. Should be good. Now time for the other side. Let's see. So I just did the same thing with this one. I wiped it down. You see there's nothing on it. Just so the glue and the tape can stick properly without any issues. Also, what is going on? Like, why? Like, what's the point of that? I'm so annoyed. Anyways, let's see how this works. It should be good. So, okay, we did the same thing for this mirror. Okay, we just made sure everything's lined up. And from here, everything's good. Just take the tape down so it sticks. This one's done. Come to the other side. This one's done too. Actually looks decent, I'm not gonna lie. I really like the black look in the gray. You know? I don't know, I like it. I'm vibing on it. Yeah. I'll take these off later on and see how it goes, and I'll update you guys. But yeah, honestly, it's a very easy job. I just wanted to test these. They're pretty cheap, so I want to see if they look like. If they're not good, then I'll take them off or whatever. Worth it. Yeah, so I just got back from the gym just to check on this. As you can see, honestly, it looks really nice. The carbon weave is very nice. It's sitting a lot better now with the tape holding it down. Yeah, it's okay. I kind of don't like how it comes up from the top, but I'll see how long it lasts. I got it from a boy of mine who was just trying to test it out, so I might as well. Honestly, the carbon weave is really nice. I'm a big fan. Let me see the other side. Just get through here. Look at this. Honestly, the weave looks very, very nice. But I don't know if you can even see it from here. Like, it does have a lip on the edge, which I don't know. I might sand it down a little bit and see if I can make it flush better. The bottom is pretty clean. You can't see anything. But yeah. Anyways, guys, that's all. See how this goes. Maybe I'll make another video about it. That's it for now. Pretty easy install, pretty cheap. Just to see how it looks, to be honest. Post a review maybe a few months down the line to see if it's even on here. But we'll see how it goes. Also, don't mind the wind. It's really windy outside today. So, yeah. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. It looks really nice. Like, they move. Like up here. Oh, that's nice. Look at this. It's fine, honestly. It doesn't look bad at all. Color quality is really good. I like it. That's it.